Imagine this. You're teaching a lesson, students are quiet, taking notes, maybe answering a question or two. Seems productive, right? But is real learning happening? That's passive learning, where students receive information but don't actively engage with it. Now, let's flip the script. What if your students were questioning, discussing, creating, and problem solving? That's active learning and is built on the four C's: critical thinking, collaboration, communication, and creativity. First up, critical thinking, the skill of analyzing, questioning, and making informed decisions. Instead of just memorizing facts, students should be solving problems. Example, like a science class, students are analyzing data from a virtual lab simulation and predicting outcomes. Or a history class, they're comparing primary sources to determine biases and reliability. Or math, they solve real world math problems by choosing the best approach rather than just following steps. Next, collaboration, learning together, sharing ideas, and building solutions. Technology makes this even easier with tools like shared documents, discussion boards, and breakout rooms. Like ELA, for example, students could co write a story using Google Docs, giving each other feedback. Or in a STEM class, they could work in teams to code a simple game or build a model in a virtual environment. Social studies, groups could create a podcast discussing historical events from different perspectives. Then there's communication, the ability to express ideas clearly, both in writing and speaking is more than just answering questions. It's about sharing and defending ideas effectively. For example, science. Students create a video explanation of the scientific concepts they're learning about. Or in math, they record a screencast explaining how they solved a problem, not just giving you an answer to the problem. Or foreign language. They participate in virtual conversations with native speakers. Finally, creativity, where students take learning and make it their own. It's about innovation, expression, and problem solving in new ways. For example, in art, students design digital artwork using apps like Canva. Or in writing, they create interactive stories with branching choices. Or in history, they develop an animated timeline of key historical events. The four C's aren't just buzzwords. They're the foundation of real, meaningful learning. When students think critically, collaborate, communicate, and create, they're not just absorbing knowledge, they're actually using it, they're applying it, and they're making it their own. So let's move beyond passive learning and bring the four C's into every lesson. The right technology, used the right way, can help make that happen.